up? It's Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting universe of fabric textures. When creating that perfect safari backdrop, you want to ensure that every detail is on point. That's where the magic happens of using stretch fabric. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to elevate your safari print materials without causing any distractions. Roll the intro. Okay guys, now I want to introduce you to interlock fabric. Interlock fabric is a two-way stretch blend that is most commonly used amongst designers today. It's three great reasons why you should consider using interlock. The first reason you should consider is because it's easy to use. You don't need a lot of skill set to manipulate or make pleats and folds with stretch fabric. Second thing you should consider is the affordability. You can really build your inventory and saving a lot of money. And that brings us to our last option, guys, which is a wide variety of colors. When using basic interlock, you can really get creative and take your designs to the next level. And there you have it, guys. Elevate your event draping game with the perfect blend of safari prints and stretch fabric. Now, if you're ready to bring the safari vibes to your next gathering, then be sure to dive into our store and snag yourself some stretch fabric. You can find the links right below this video. As always, stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Just straight. Brendan, you know we can't end the video like that. And it just cuts to the outro.
Some snatch. I quit. You know it's not gonna get better. All right, Zach, I'm not gonna bring up all that.
You don't have to remember. I'm saying the same thing. Just
okay.
Oh! You can't see this cord, right, Randy?